Welcome to a new video of the Parts channel. Well, answering a question that you have left me. A vehicle that starts cold but when it is hot, you stop the vehicle and try to start and it does not start. Well, it exactly described a Renault Clio 1900 diesel that turns the key, the indicator light for the heaters comes on, that light turns off. You turn the ignition and the vehicle starts the first time, it turns on, then what happens? The engine, you try again, you turn the ignition on, the heater light does not turn on and the vehicle does not start, so this boy blamed that it could be a failure of the heater module. Let's see, at 90 degrees they will not turn on the light of the heater module because they do not work at that temperature. The vehicle does not need it and disconnects them. Then, there the problem that is going to be will be with the camshaft sensor. I will leave you a link of a video that I made of a purchase very simple operation without a machine or anything from the camshaft sensor. There are other people who attribute this problem to the turbo solenoid valve, because they have read in forums that if this solenoid valve gets very hot, when you turn off the vehicle and try to start it, the engine does not start. It does not start, that is uncertain. If the turbo solenoid valve fails, what will not work is the turbo. But the vehicle will start. You will drive without a turbo, but the vehicle will start, I tell you for that. There are people who have come, that when the solenoid valve is hot, they realize that it is hot and then they wait for it to cool down, but of course, as the solenoid valve cools, the camshaft sensor is also cooling, which is the one that causes this problem, or so. As I say, you can do the test, with that link that I have left there to do a quick test of whether it is a failure of the camshaft sensor, a simple test. Okay, you can do that. Test perfectly, if the vehicle to it starts without problems when cold but then you switch off the contact. While the vehicle is hot, you start again and the vehicle does not want to start, almost certainly the problem comes from this part, from the camshaft sensor. Well, here I leave you the video. One thing, that there have been people who at their own risk have changed, they have even read in forums, they say that has to be problems of the eager and they have changed eagers and in addition to the faces, on their own they have disassembled, they have bought an eager, they have mounted it in the vehicle. And the problem remains the same. That is, look at the camshaft sensor, it is also an inexpensive part. And it is quite easy to change in the vast majority of vehicles. Well, here you have the video if it has been useful to you, because do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel.